Selfie, you see that? Hey, yo, welcome to Cannabis Selfie TV. No cassette, no CD, no DVD. This is the moment right after a Rev It Up party we name Rev Kings, the big bike show. And when I tell a lie, first and foremost, we have to thank Father God for a beautiful and a blessed day like this. You know what I mean? Thanks to all of the team, Rev It Up King and Rev It Up Boss Lady and the whole team for putting such an epic and beautiful and amazing and entertaining event together.
Something new. Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Oh, no, that's how rough riders roll. Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Oh.
Thanks to the bikers, because you know the bikers, they are the main attractions and the main reason why the people them come out so early to come experience the bike show, right? Alright, thanks to Selfie TV, me, myself and I, and all of my selector friends.
Yo, Selfie TV, someone for stop, watch what you get them. Someone for stop, watch what you get them. See me better go money fire. We don't have to keep up. Can I get it? Keep up.
Thanks to the people them for coming out, thanks to the support, thanks for everything.
Gun from belly, the berry never left. Government badness and jewelness. I'm gonna left my dance.
Selfie TV, we are watch.